To buy and sell crypto on Coinbase. Start by creating an account on the platform. Go to the Coinbase website and click on the Get Started button. Then enter your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by Coinbase. Then add your phone number to enable two-factor authentication. Next, verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. This step is necessary to comply with anti-money laundering regulations and to ensure the security of your account. Once your identity is verified, you can add a payment method, such as a bank account or credit card, to fund your account. To buy crypto, click on the Buy/Sell button on the top right corner of the dashboard. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the transaction details, including the price and fees. Then confirm the transaction. To sell crypto, follow the same steps, but click on the Sell button instead. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell and enter the amount you want to sell. Review the transaction details. Then confirm the transaction. It is essential to understand the fees associated with buying and selling crypto on Coinbase. The platform charges a spread fee, which is the difference between the market price and the price at which you buy or sell. Additionally, Coinbase charges a transaction fee, which varies depending on the payment method and location. Best practices for buying and selling crypto on Coinbase include setting a budget and sticking to it, diversifying your portfolio, and keeping your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and regularly updating your password. It is also crucial to stay informed about market trends and news to make informed investment decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can buy and sell crypto on Coinbase with confidence. Remember to always prioritize security and stay informed to get the most out of your cryptocurrency investments.